Hello, welcome back to my old stamping ground. Beautiful day today, but I don't have time to go up and get some seals. It's an hour's ride to get there. So I'm just going to have a little wander around fields that I've done many times before. Don't expect to get anything, but look, isn't it pleasant, isn't it green? I'm just going to have a little toddle around and see what I've missed. See if I can find any corners I haven't been in. Whew, started off by the gate, lots and lots of signals, 70s, 80s. So I switched to, I was in 18 kilohertz, switched down to 8, and they all disappeared as iron. So I left it in 8 and I just took a little walk, got this far and hey, got a 2p. Now when I get away from the mineralisation, I shall go back of course into GM power 18 kilohertz. Bit of a bronze relic. Not sure what you are. It's old, looks old. I've left it in basic too, 4 kilohertz. I've come all the way from the gate there. I've had 2 blips, one with a coin and one was this. I've got a feeling I'm missing stuff, but I'm not digging up rubbish, that's for sure. Oh, compulsory iron ring. I've been missing them. Another piece of bronze, I know not what. All the birds are out, fieldfares. The old water tank. I'm just drawn back to here, I don't know why. Now I know why I'm drawn back here. Silver sixpence, young head Vicky, very old. Can't get a date, look, it's smooth. Silver! Calling for me. I've come from over there, I'm doing along this wall, right in close to it, and presumably I've not been this close to the wall before. So, that's about a buckle. It's had a bang, but that is one nice buckle. Whoa-wee. Welcome back. Oh, bit of a breeze coming up, very nice. See that mountain in the distance? It's over there that I'm getting the bag seals. But it's a long way away. Oh God, it's nice up here. Quiet. Loads of birds. Curlews in the back. He won't be putting his sheep in here for another week or 2. He's just letting the grass grow a little bit higher. And then I'll move to another field. I'll be back to me seals. It's nice to be up here though, there's a few fond memories. I got another Victorian sixpence just there in the middle of the shop. And a 4p up by that other wall, which I'm going to have a walk up later. Look at the size of that iron. That's my pinpointer there. It's huge. I don't do iron. And I leave them on the walls, or more literally in the walls. It's a superstition up in the north here of Europe. Iron is a good protective material, and it was built into the walls of houses. Nails, iron nails, anything like that, they all gave protection. But wow, look at the size of that. Battery's getting very low on the head. I forgot to charge it, and I've only got the small coil with me. So I give up systematic searching and just went intuition. I walked straight onto that. Gotta be 13 inches down. What a signal. 94, 95. Whoa. Could have got that with a pointed stick. What a belting buckle. Lovely. Oh, coin. Penny. Penny. What are you? 1930. That makes you George 5. Yeah. And still I'm finding stuff. And you know how much I've hammered these fields. I must be a sloppy worker. Ha ha ha. Now that could be, got a little hole there where my thumb is. Could be the hand off a very old clock. Weird. Will you look at that? Wowee. I think it's a spur. It's either a fancy horse brass or it's a spur. I've not had a spur before, I don't know what they look like. But there you go. Oh, what a belter. Hey. Bit of a weirdo, that. I'm not sure if it's lead or... Oh, I'm not sure what it is. 4 holes in it. Now, this is interesting. You see the screw there, right? It's that way up. It's a rose decoration and a hook. It's a cup hook or something of that description. Hey, good day out today. Well, that is one tiny coin ball and it's throwing out an 89. So come on. What have we got? What have we got? Oh, it's small, whatever it be. Hey, very small. Is that it? Oh, boy, Boyecky. It's... I think it's a copper rivet. Gee. Not a button. Tiny little thing. Oh, I'm on my way back now. It's getting very warm out here. Sheep are agreeing with me. I have just found a nice little buckle. Tiny little buckle there, complete with leather. Bronze. Hey. Whoa. Yeah, I agree. Can you hear them sheep? The air is still, there's no breeze, it's just getting hotter. Ooh, if you don't hear from me again, I'll see you at the roundup. Not far to go now. Just down to the gate. Hello, welcome to the roundup. A bit different. I didn't have time to go up to the lead seal field, so I thought I'd have a look round where I live. And I've hammered these fields before, and it never ceases to surprise me. Still find stuff. I am a sloppy worker. Bits of rivet, strips, bit of bronze, not sure what you are. And then something, bit of a, what, hinge, isn't it? There's a bracket, they'll all go for scrap with these. Hardly any lead, because I've done these fields before. I tend to strip them first time round. So we go straight on to goodies. And was I surprised at the goodies? My goodness. Look at that. Wowee, as that took a banger knot. It should be flat, that. Hit by a tractor. Woof. Nice buckle. It would straighten out with that. It's nice bronze. Look at that. That is one gorgeously designed buckle. Big, 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 big. How on earth could I miss things like that? Because I didn't actually have my head over them. I went down all the little sides of the fields and things where I haven't been before, and there was stuff lurking. Hey, look at that tiny little bronze buckle. My goodness. Now I've come to the conclusion this is off a terrace. It's a Georgian terrace that fits into a thing like that, and the rains go through there. It's very old, but I've had these before, only bigger. In fact, one of them I thought it was a torque bracelet. But what I like about this hobby is you can say one thing and then shortly after you get put right. Now, when I had a look at this, I thought to myself, is this... Oops-a-daisy, camera's playing up, dropping out film. Right, so I'll have to do these again quickly. Not the hands off a clock, it is a candle wick trimmer. It's a pair of scissors. I've had one before, but it had a box on. Yes, indeedy. This isn't a spur, wouldn't know because I've never had one. It's horse brass, goes between up on the forehead of a horse. Nice little item. Oh, this is a cup holder or a cloth holder. It goes on a cabinet, and that goes through, screws into the back, and then you've got the decoration and a hook to put your cup on. Used to have one of them when I lived in a caravan many years ago. Silver sixpence, Victoria, very worn, look at that. It's about 1850s plus, something like that. Been in circulation a long time. So there we go. I'm just going to hope this works. I'm having trouble, fellas. So it's out there, go get it.